Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change notification sound settings on your Suzuki. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over and open up settings. Once you open up settings, we're going to go to vehicle, and in the vehicle, we want to go to interior. Now we want to go to notification sound and voice guidance. And right at the bottom, we have the notification sound settings. So we can easily switch it from medium to high and low. As you guys can see, we can set it up for ourselves. So here, there's no perfect setting. You need to set it up for you need to set it up so you feel comfortable with it. So some people may prefer low, some may prefer medium, and some may prefer high. So there's no exact setting I would recommend. You just have to test it out. And that's basically how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.